Okay, my healthy people, welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Today, I'm showing you how to make some gluten-free stuffed mushrooms. Absolutely delicious. And if you are keto, this is the perfect recipe. Also, if you follow the DASH diet, this is also good for you as well. I have some ground turkey in here. To that, I will add some onions. And these onions are thinly diced, as you may see. And I will add some of my spices. This is oregano, thyme, parsley, and I have some adobo, some garlic powder, and onion powder. Now, I don't know why we always have to say this on YouTube, but yes, our hands are clean. So I will be getting in there with my hands and I will just work everything together. Be sure to preheat the oven at 350 degrees, okay? I will be cooking this on the stovetop. As you may see, everything is well combined with my spices, and I absolutely love that. I want to show you my mushrooms, okay? They've already been cleaned, and I let them dry for a little bit. You can take a damp paper towel and just clean the outside, and that's all you need to do. Remove the stem, but don't throw the stem away. Keep them. You can also make other foods with those, so do not throw away the stems. Keep them, and you can use it to cook with for a later time. But for this recipe, we will not be needing the stem. As you may see, that's removed. Now, the good thing about this recipe is that it's interchangeable, right? You can do whatever meat you want. You can use Beyond Meat. You can use just ground vegetables. You can use whatever you want. You can use chicken. It's pretty much up to you. But I am using turkey. My pan has been heated on the stovetop on medium heat. So let's go over to that and get started on cooking. So I will add a bit of avocado oil, and to that I will just go ahead and add the turkey. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. You can also follow me on Instagram at Maxine's Corner. I actually post a lot on Instagram, so be sure to follow me there. Okay, so we will let this cook, and then I'll be back. Okay, so that's done. No, it's not burned. I like it like that. So what we will do now is we will pour off all this oil. Okay, and then we will let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then I'll show you what we will do after that. Okay, my healthy friends, so as you may see, I poured off the oil, and this is all the oil. So that's one of the best way to do that, so you won't have all that oil. I will now switch my bowls, pour this in here. So you do want to let it cool a little bit. Then I'm going to add some chickpea flour. About 2 tablespoons. I hit it with a little nooch. See? Okay? It gives it a nice cheesy flavor, but it's actually cashew that's grated. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of this to it. Okay, but you do have to allow it to cool. And I did this because this would help it stick together. If you do have a blender or something, you can also use that to make sure everything is well combined. So I'll be back, and then I'll show you what to do. Okay, my healthy friends, so it's now cool. Take your pan, and you put your non-stick mat on it. What I will do now is just lay my mushrooms down. That's it. Once you've laid them out, if you have extra, just put them to the side. Leave them. You can use them for something else, okay? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a little bit with my hands and then just like that, just stuff it, right? You don't need a lot. And you will just push this down. See what I'm doing? You use your hands. You don't need any tools. And you just push it down inside and it should look just like that. Now I will be doing the rest of these and then I'll be right back. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. It's absolutely free. And hit the bell so what? You can get your notification whenever I upload. Also, I notice a lot of you are not following me on TikTok. Be sure to join me on TikTok, okay? Okay, guys, so this is what my mushrooms looks like. I will be putting these in the oven. Okay, so 10 minutes in the oven. And this is what it looks like. I will now remove it and put it on a plate. Okay, my healthy people, so here we have our mushrooms. I made a nice, delicious dipping sauce. It's kind of like Thousand Islands. And then what I will do here, I will just add a little bit of garnish with some parsley. Right? Absolutely delicious. You're going to love it. My kids are in school right now, but as soon as they come home, this will be done. So my healthy friends, this is it. This is my delicious stuffed mushrooms. The 4th of July is coming around the corner, and this is the perfect recipe. You can make this, you can serve it, put little toothpicks so people can pick them up. That's it. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner, guys. If you love this video, give it a big thumbs up. Delicious, gluten-free, healthy meals here on Maxine's Corner that will help you to have a better lifestyle. I'll see you guys next time in another video, and say it with me, stay healthy.